Good day everyone. For today's lessons, we will talk about how to use the offset and the array. Okay, let's start with the offset. So you can easily type O, enter. So, but we need to have a figure first. So let's make a rectangle. So the starting point is 0, 0, enter. So for example, 70 by 40, enter. Then let's create fillet here, or a jumper, or fillet na lang. F, enter. Then the radius, R, enter. So radius, for example, is 10. First object, second object. Okay. Then let's start with the object. So just type O, enter. So select the true. Then select the object. So for example, this whole figure. So where do we want to put this? Is it outside or inside the figure? So let's take the outside. Then put the distance. For example, 8. Enter. So I think there is wrong with that. Offset, enter. True, enter. Select object. 8, enter. Yeah, that's it. So that is our offset. So we can offset also our object inside this figure. For example, distance is 5, enter. Okay. Then let's try the array. So let me just have a figure. So for example, 2 is our diameter. Okay, so since this is our figure, let's start with the first array, which is let's type the AR, enter, or you can easily click here if you want. Rectangular path polar array, but for me I want to show you the shortcut AR, enter. Then select the object, enter. So you can choose which is rectangular, path, or polar, but we will start with the rectangular. So it will automatically show like this, or there are some maybe 4x4 or etc, etc. It depends upon to the setting of the AutoCAD. So but we can edit this, like for example, for the most important is the spacing, the column, the rows. So for example, let's edit this spacing. So I want to have the unit cell is 8, and also 8. Okay, you see the what happened. Then for the count, for example, how many expression, for example, want to put 5. For the other expression, example 8. Now you saw the changes there. So that is the importance of that array. And spacing, rows, you can edit all so the rows, the columns. So if you already accept it, then exit. Okay, the other one is polar array, which is this one, or you can easily type AR, enter. But we need to have, since polar, we need to have a center of the circle. So for example, let's put the circle also in here. Make sure that our O-snap purse is already open. The end point, the midpoint, and the quadrant. So why? So in quadrant, L, enter, we can draw a line starting to our purse point, which is this quadrant point. For example, 10, enter, so that we can have a basis of our another circle here. Enter. So I draw a circle here with a radius of 5. This is my basis only, so we can erase this. E, enter. Okay, then we can use the polar array here, or simply type AR as I've said. Then select the object, enter. So polar array, then specify the center. So make sure that you saw the center. Look at this. So that is the center that we're going to fill. Then select the center. Then how many to fill angle? So most probably automatically it's 360. So but you can edit it. So but for me, I want to have 360. How many items do we need? For example, I want to change it into 10. Enter. So that's it. So another one, yes, I want to draw a circle here, or you can create a figure, any figure. Then I want to have a line here. So AR, enter, then select the object, enter, then path, then select natin yung path. So that is our, we can edit also the numbers of the items. For example, we want to have it 20 only for the distance. So how many? Example 8 only. So that's it. So that will be all. Thank you so much for listening. Have a blessed day.